Hi WonderLearn kids! Ready for some science magic? Today we'll do a super fun experiment. Let's get started. First, let's gather our materials. We will need plate, milk, food coloring, dish soap, cotton swabs. Step 1. Pour the milk into the plate, just enough to cover the bottom. Step 2. Add a few drops of food coloring in the center of the milk. Use different colors for a beautiful effect. Step 3. Dip a cotton swab into the dish soap and gently touch the milk. Watch the magic happen. Wow! Did you see that? The colors swirl and mix in a mesmerizing pattern. But why does this happen? The dish soap breaks down the fat in the milk, causing the colors to spread out. It's a fun way to see how molecules interact. Wasn't that cool? Science is full of surprises. Try it at home with family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to WonderLearn Kids for more fun videos. See you next time.